This is the #1 way to make money on planet Earth right now. You can say whatever the fuck you want about them, but it's NFTs. So right now I'm gonna go over the ones I think have the most potential. Take notes, boys. Let's go. Here's a list of all the most hyped NFTs that have not come out yet. My boy from my Discord even put levels on them. What a fucking community. Let's go. What you look for in these projects is a community size, pretty much the demand for the project, the supply and the price of the project and how much they're minting for and selling initially. And then you can kind of put those together and put a price on what you think they're going to be reselling for. And the reason why these are doing so well and reselling for so much more than they're initially selling for is because the market is at all-time fucking highs. And NFTs perform well when the crypto market is down, so right now it's perfect. So here's the daily volume on OpenSea. We're consistently hitting that $2 million volume a day. I'm not trying to sell you guys on nothing, but all I can say is if you understand these markets right now, you're gonna make so much fucking money. And if you want to try and learn it with me, join my Discord, it's in my bio. Peace out, boys.